Hello, I wanted to talk about Romelu Lukaku. The situation currently is not good between Chelsea Football Club and Romelu Lukaku because his comments when he said that he wanted to partner Lautaro Martinez in Inter Milan and he won't be coming to Chelsea, so he wants to join him in Inter Milan. So this comment is a very tough one for Chelsea and Chelsea fan to digest because Chelsea paid a heavy amount, huge amount in order to sign Lukaku because he was previously part of Chelsea a decade ago. He never got a chance to play, didn't score a goal. He went on loan to Everton. He played there. Then Manchester United hijacked when Jose Mourinho when they signed Jose Mourinho, Manchester United. When they signed Jose Mourinho, he wanted Romelu Lukaku to play for Manchester United, and then they sold him and he joined Inter Milan. He was great there. He's also very good for Belgium national team. But when Chelsea signed him, I thought that it is not a good idea because, to be honest, I was expecting Chelsea might sign Harry Kane. Chelsea just might sign Harry Kane, not even Erling Haaland because he is not. He will be completely new to Premier League. Premier League is not Bundesliga or La Liga. It is or Serie A. It is completely different. You cannot score 30, 40, 50, 60 goals every season. You cannot score 91, 120 goals in a calendar year. It is not possible. Even though Mohamed Salah once scored 32 goals and Luis Suarez, when he was playing for Liverpool, he did score some fantastic goals. But it is not easy to score goal after goal in Premier League. So when I was expecting Harry Kane because he know Premier League, he know the condition, he know the teams. So I was expecting Harry Kane. 7 or 8 months ago, I made a video. And the headline was, "Who should Chelsea sign, Harry Kane or Haaland or Lukaku?" I was expecting Harry Kane, but they signed Lukaku and the amount was huge. So if you want to play for Inter Milan, then why you join Chelsea? You were a Chelsea reject decade ago. You should directly refused, because you did refuse 2 times before you signed. Oh, I forgot. The problem was money, huge amount. It changes mind. So he signed, but now he wants to go back to Inter Milan. So he can, and he should go back because he should maintain his form. He should maintain his goal scoring opportunities, and he should score. He is a fantastic player, no doubt. But saying such thing about a club you are playing for, saying such things about, I am not saying that you should not say things about Chelsea, but any club, you are playing for any club, you should not say anything bad about that, because few months ago when Leicester City won the FA Cup, and Amarty of Leicester City, he threw the Chelsea pageant down. It was really very rude of him, because no matter which team, which club you are playing for, you should respect the opposition. It is just a game, and yes, emotion will go high to very high depending upon the occasion of the match. But you should respect opponents. You should respect your own club, your own country. It is not nice to say bad things about the club you are playing for. Uh, Sometimes because of emotion, high emotions, and heat of the moment, you may say bad thing or wrong thing about other clubs or other teams or other country football playing nations. But when the matter is sorted out and when the things cool down, you should respect and you should apologize. But that didn't happen, and Thomas Tuchel may drop Lukaku. Thomas Tuchel may drop Lukaku against tonight's game against Liverpool, and the chances are that he might not be included in Chelsea's squad. And the January transfer window has already opened since yesterday, and who knows, if he really wants to go to Inter Milan, then they may send him back. Thanks God we have Timo Werner, and Liverpool wanted to sign Timo Werner, but they didn't, and they were also laughing because thanks God we didn't sign Timo Werner after their performance in the first season for Chelsea. But he is going to play against Liverpool. I am not sure 100%, but I think he may get a chance, and it is a good chance for him to prove them wrong. And thanks God at least we have Lukaku, and thanks God we have Timo Werner. And it was a bad decision for letting go Olivier Giroud. As from my point of view, he was actually scoring goals, and Tammy Abraham, yes, he is scoring goals for Roma, but he was not that good last season as he was 2 years ago for Chelsea. But nevertheless, I am glad for Roma. At least he is scoring goals, and it is a good thing. But as far as Lukaku goes, I'm not sure. He might not even be included in Chelsea squad, so it is a big concern. Who will be our number 9? Very difficult time, but I hope a positive result for tonight. So that's all for now. Thank you.